Another day, another story. Hello and welcome to this special video on AI dangers. Artificial intelligence or AI is one of the most exciting and promising technologies of our time. It has potential to revolutionize many aspects of our lives from healthcare and education to transportation and entertainment. However, AI also poses significant risks and dangers that we must be aware of and address. In this video, we will explain the potential dangers of AI and discuss what we can do to mitigate them. So let's get started. Part 1. The risk of AI. The risk of AI can be divided into several categories. The first one is unintended consequences. One of the biggest risks of AI is unintended consequences. AI systems are designed to learn about and make decisions based on data. However, this idea can be biased or incomplete, leading to unintended consequences. For example, an AI system designed to detect and prevent fraud might inadvertently discriminate against certain group of people if the data is used in a biased. Second one is the malicious use. For example, AI can also be used for malicious purposes such as cyber attacks or the creation of autonomous weapons. Hackers could be use AI autonomous attacks, making them more efficient and effective. Autonomous weapons could also lead to new arms race, with countries competing to develop the most advanced AI-powered weapons. Third one is the job displacement. The AI has the potential to automate many jobs, leading to significant job displacement. This could lead to unemployment and social unrest if not properly managed. While AI could create new jobs, they may require different skills and training than the jobs that are being automated. Fourth one is the dependence. As we rely more on AI systems, we become increasingly dependent on them. This dependence can be dangerous if the system fail or compromised. For example, if an automated vehicle system fail, it could be lead to a serious accident. Part 2. The danger of AI. The danger of AI can also be divided into several categories. So let's see one by one. So first one is the existential risk. One of the biggest danger of AI is the risk of existential threats. This refers to the threats that could potentially cause the existence of humanity or permanently damage to our civilization. For example, of an existence risk is AI system that becomes super intelligent and decide to eliminate humanity. Another one is the uncontrolled AI. AI system can also be dangerous if they are uncontrolled or unregulated. If an AI system is not properly designed or monitored, it could cause unintended consequences or be used for malicious purpose. Third one is the hacking. AI system can also be vulnerable to hacking. If an AI system is compromised, it could be used for malicious purpose or cause unintended consequences. Fourth one is the bias and discrimination. AI system can also perpetuate bias and discrimination if they are not designed or trained properly. For example, an AI system used to determine credit score might discriminate against certain groups of people if the data used is biased. Part 3. Mitigating the risk and dangers of AI. While AI poses significant risks and dangers, there are steps we can take to mitigate them. So some of the steps include: first one is the transparency. AI systems should be designed and deployed in a transparent manner with clear explanations of how they work and what the data used by them. This can help to prevent unintended consequences and promote accountability. Second one is the regulation. AI systems should be regulated to ensure that they are safe, secure and ethical. Government and organizations should establish standards and regulation for the design and use of AI system. Third one is the education and training. Education and training programs can help to prepare people for the job displacement that may result from the automation of certain tasks. They can also help people to develop the skills needed to work with and manage AI systems. Fourth one is the ethical considerations. AI systems should be designed with ethical consideration in mind. Developers should be consider the potential consequences of their systems and ensure that they align with the ethical principles such as fairness, accountability, and transparency. Fifth one is the collaboration. Collaboration between different stakeholders, including developers, researchers, policymakers, and the public, can help to ensure that AI is developed and used in the safe and responsible manner. Sixth one is the testing and evaluation. AI systems should be thoroughly tested and evaluated before they are deployed to identify and mitigate potential risks and dangers. Seventh is the diversity and inclusivity. Diversity and inclusivity should be considered throughout the development and deployment of AI systems to prevent bias and discrimination. So we discuss all those points and now the conclusion. So in conclusion, while AI has the potential to bring about significant benefits and advancements, it also poses significant risks and dangers that must be addressed. We must have take a proactive approach to the development and deployment of AI, considering the potential consequences and taking steps to mitigate the risk and dangers. By working together and using the multidisciplinary approach, we can ensure that AI is developed and used in safe and responsible manner. So thanks for watching. If you like it, then subscribe our channel and don't forget to share with your friends and families. Thanks for watching.